Hello viewers, welcome to Usman Chayin Physics Maths class. In our tutorial today, I shall provide a solution to the problem before us. Now in continuation with our waec revision, we are moving on to waves. And this is number one, the first question on the wave that we'll be looking at. The question will determine the speed of the wave. So to solve this type of problem, first thing, we know that speed is equal to distance all over time. Don't forget that v is equal to x over t. Now we have to bring out our parameters. That is, our x is equal to 9 meter. Okay, our x is equal to 9 meter, but the time t, which is 0.6, is not a complete 3 wavelength. On this very diagram, we have 1 wavelength, 2 wavelength, 3 wavelength, but the time 0.6 is only for 2 wavelength. So we need to find out the time for the 3 wavelength. So for us to get the time for the first wavelength is 0.3. How? 0.6 divided by 2, because this is for 2 wavelengths. So we have 0.3, then another 0.3, then lastly another 0.3. It means that the total time here is 0.9 by summing 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3. So our time t would be 0.99 seconds. Okay, so if that is true, our speed v, it will now be equal to 9 all over 0.9, and this is going to give us 10 meter per second, and that will going to be our final answer. If you check the option here, you find out that option D is the correct option. And I encourage you to go to YouTube and subscribe to